Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block pop-ups on iPhone Air. This video is about pop-ups in Safari. Safari is your browser, of course, and hold on a second, I'll need to go to Safari and choose my default browser, and I of course have problems with my internet connection, so I'll need to wait a moment. Okay, yeah, wonderful. I'm in the Safari right now. So now if I want to block pop-ups, what pop-ups are is basically an ad that opens another tab in the browser. See, there's tabs here. I can open multiple ones, right? And sometimes you get an ad that opens another tab, jumps into that, you know, it's annoying. So if you want to get rid of that, you can simply go to settings, then scroll down until you find apps. Now go to Safari. Now you can go to block pop-ups and make sure it's enabled. And now the pop-ups will be blocked. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.